for Tuesday was the perfect day to take my blues away. Let the water fall overhead, roll around in the hay, the rocks, the mud and clay. Let the hours fall away, I can't go around.
Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our friends and loved ones at YouTube. How are you guys doing today on this new week, on this new trading day, and today being Valentine's Day? Just wanted to come and show you guys and let you guys know that it's up and running, or Alchemist Pips Pay Your Bills system is up and running, and I kind of want to give you guys a back glimpse of what you guys are going to see. We started this account, we reopened this account. This is one of our accounts that we started with the bare minimum, bare minimum with $108. You know, we're gonna try to scale it and use it. Also, this is one of our original accounts that we set up when we first started trading, and this account was actually negative like $3,000. So it's a good way to kind of show it and bring it back to life. I'm just kind of going over the market analysis right now real quick. As you guys could hear, that was our boy Moses Martinez. Okay, so as you guys could tell, we are going for long positions. You see where the monthly tells you. So we kind of try to, if you're trading with the trend, if you're trading with the trend, you know, the daily trend, you know, you see where green obviously is going uptrend, red is downtrend, and when you see the blue is in consolidation. So you're able to look at all the pairs from cryptocurrencies to regular forex currencies, cryptocurrencies, of where we're at. And why am I showing you guys this? The reason why I'm showing you guys this is how we analyze the trades that are coming in. Because like I mentioned to you guys before, we have invested resources to get some of the best traders, and we're taking their trades, you know. So right now we are utilizing and seeing how their trades are going to be. Are we using those trades to be scalping? Are we going to do it for intraday trading? Are we going to do it for long trade trading? So like that, we are able to see down the road where we're going with. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to show you guys the site you're going to go to. You're going to go to Pips Pay My Bills. I'm going to put a link below. So the way you're going to connect it is you're going to go and configure. You're going to configure an account. Okay. We have it. We're going to set up the account. Hold on. Okay. On this one, we're going to name it. Okay, let's name it Sold Trading Account. And then here you would put your. Let's see. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, with our FTMO. Okay, you see one of those. Okay, hold on. Okay. So we are getting with FTMO. We're getting involved with them. So we're gonna go into our login credentials. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're gonna copy. We're gonna put it in your account. We're gonna go into this one. This one is a demo. this one. FTMO. Okay, so we got that server. And then you're gonna hold on. And then you're adding your account. So this way you'll be able to take the same, your system will take the exact same trades that we're trading on our system. No copy and paste, nothing. Just automatically when we paste the trades, your system automatically gets the trades. So that's pretty cool. Let's see how many people are on. One person. So that's what we're doing right now. So right now it's installing. Right now you will start seeing trades come in about an hour or so, because the market opens in 30 minutes. So we are getting about 3 to 15 trades per day, and that's why we want to do the bare minimum of $100. Ideal, you want to start with at least $500, but if you want to just start running and you have $100, that's the bare minimum. And that's why we wanted to start this account with the bare minimum, so you guys could see it as examples as how it's compounding and how it's getting done. Okay, look at that. Account has been connected. Now let's view the account. Boom. Okay, so these accounts were going to be start coming in here. Okay, with FTMO there is a institutional trader where they could fund you up to $10,000, $100,000 and do the trading aspects of it. So they want to also, before they release that much capital to you, they want to make sure that you know how to trade. So that is how we're using our systems with their systems and other people's capital to trade. So if you guys have any questions or want to know more, reach out to me. I'll let you guys know. This is part of the video introduction that we're doing. I will put another part to it, but it's very simple. Hold on, let me show you guys. It's very simple. You're going to be able to, okay, you have your login credentials. Okay, well, the systems. Okay, here you're going to be able to get, here's the balance that you have in that account. Here you'll be able to take away some of the systems some of the currencies that you don't want to, right here in disable. So let's say you don't want to trade gold, or you don't want to trade cryptocurrencies, or you don't want to trade stocks. You'll be able to click on them, so like that, if one of our trade signals gives you a gold, a cryptocurrency, a stock, something that you don't want to, it won't take it. So with that being said, peace, love, and abundance be with y'all. Let's get this money. Bye.